Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Indian Treasure. In this video, we are going to see unboxing of Realme X2 smartphone. Before that, please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon. Here is the Realme X2. Let's see its key specifications. It has model number RMX1992 and model name X2. It has OS of Android version 9.0 and it will be upgradable to version 10. It has display of 6.4 inches, 402 ppi graphics pixels and Super AMOLED display and user interface of ColorOS 6.1. Realme X2 has octa-core of 2.2 GHz of dual core and 1.8 GHz of hexa-core and latest Snapdragon 730G processor. And camera of 64 megapixel quad cameras of Samsung plus 8 megapixel wide angle plus 2 megapixel portrait plus 2 megapixel macro quad primary cameras with LED flash and 32 megapixel front camera. Realme X2 has battery of 4000 mAh with 30 watts VOOC charging 4.0 which will fully charge within 60 minutes and USB Type-C port. It has Volt fingerprint sensor, Gorilla Glass 5 and USB OTG support. It has dual SIM slot. Fortunately, there is no hybrid SIM slot, so you can put your memory card along with two SIMs. It has sound enhancements of double mic noise suppression, super linear speaker, Dolby sound effect type with 3.5mm audio jack. Realme X2 has 4G support, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth version 5.0, Wi-Fi hotspot, face lock, also in-display fingerprint, magnetic induction sensor, light sensor, proximity sensor, gyrometer, acceleration sensor. Its SAR values per head 1.160 watts per kilogram, body 0.521 watts per kilogram. It has display size of 6.4 inches with 1080 x 2340 pixels resolution and Super AMOLED display with full HD plus resolution. Realme X2 has Adreno 618 GPU and 16.7mm display colors and screen refresh rate of 60 Hz. It has weight of 182 grams. Other features are Type-C USB jack, USB transmission standard USB 2.0, clone apps, kit space, off-screen clock, night shield, step tracker, game acceleration, app market, theme store, clone phone manager, telephone number identification, program frozen, file encryption, wet hand unlock, face unlock, data backup and flashlight. Realme X2 has variants of 4GB RAM 64GB storage, 6GB RAM 128GB storage, 8GB RAM 128GB storage and 8GB RAM 256GB storage and color variants of Pearl Blue, Pearl Green and Pearl White. Realme X2 has sharp display, great performance, excellent cameras and VOOC charging support. It is a beautiful handset that comes with exotic colors on the back panel to add vibrant look to it. It has a strong processor that can deal with heavy games and multitasking. The battery is also up to mark with fast charging support. The cameras are superb and are one of the main highlights. Considering the budget, there is no drawback. It has Corning Gorilla Glass protection, which is good to provide shielding. It can provide a quality vision while protecting it against falls and bruises. The smartphone is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G chipset on which a Cairo 470 octa-core of 2.2 GHz dual core and 1.8 GHz hexa-core processor setup is placed. There is an Adreno 618 GPU that ensures the graphical performance which ensures multitasking with lag-free speed. Realme X2 is a camera-centric smartphone that features quad rear camera setup with 64 megapixel primary camera and 32 megapixel front camera. The camera of the device is provided with great features and filters. The front camera is good enough to capture sharp images. In terms of storage, the device houses a 64GB, 128GB and 256GB internal memory, which serves a lot of space to keep the files and data of the users including apps and games. There is an external memory slot that supports up to 256GB with the help of micro SD card. Realme X2 comes with a 4000 mAh lithium-ion battery with VOOC fast charging technology. The battery allows the users to stay active whether it is office hours or in case of extensive use in free time, for which the fast charging technology can give full support. For the connectivity, the device supports 4G Volt networks, Wi-Fi, mobile hotspot, Bluetooth version 5.0, GPS with AGPS, GLONASS, USB Type-C, etc. Realme X2 Pros are great performance, good daytime photography and decent battery. In the box, it has handset, adapter 5V, USB cable, booklet with warranty card, quick guide, SIM card tool, screen protect film and case. So these are the important specifications of Realme X2. It's a budget phone with more advanced features. Pricing range between 17,999 Indian rupees to 22,999 Indian rupees. Thank you for watching this video. So please leave your thoughts in the comment section. If you didn't subscribe our channel, then without forgetting, please subscribe our channel to get more regular updates. Please don't forget to hit the like button. If you like this video, then please share it to your friends, family and neighbors. Thank you so much. We will see again in next video. Myself Karthikeyan.